Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
What is the biggest animal?
The blue whale.
What do dogs use to smell?
Their noses.
What is a baby cat called?
A kitten.
Which animal goes onk, onk, onk?
A pig.
What do birds use to fly?
Their wings.
Which animal is very slow?
A tortoise.
What do we call a baby dog?
A puppy.
Which animal likes to jump?
A kangaroo.
What is a group of cows called?
A herd.
Which animal has a long neck?
A giraffe.
What is a popular fruit?
An apple.
Which food is often eaten for breakfast?
Cereal.
What do we drink to stay healthy?
Water.
What is a sweet treat?
Ice cream.
Which food is often eaten in the morning?
Toast.
What is a popular drink?
Juice.
Which food is often eaten at parties?
Pizza.
What is a healthy snack?
Carrots.
Which food is often eaten for dessert?
Cake.
What do we use to write?
A pen or pencil.
Which subject is about numbers?
Math.
What do we call a place where we learn?
A school.
Which tool helps us read?
Glasses.
What is a person who teaches called?
A teacher.
Which subject is about reading and writing?
English.
What do we use to carry our books?
A backpack.
Which activity helps us learn new things?
Reading.
What is a group of students called?
A class.
Which subject is about the world?
Geography.
Who is a person that takes care of you?
A parent.
What do we call a person we like to play with?
A friend.
Who is a person that is born on the same day as you?
A twin.
What do we call a person that is older than you?
A sibling or a grown-up.
Who is a person that helps take care of you?
A babysitter.
What do we call a group of people that live together?
A family.
Who is a person that is very special to you?
A loved one.
What do we call a person that is fun to be around?
A buddy.
Who is a person that teaches you new things?
A mentor.
What do we call a person that is always there for you?
A best friend.
What is a place where we live?
A house or home.
Which place is very big and has lots of water?
An ocean.
What is a place where we can play outside?
A park.
Which place is very cold and has snow?
The North Pole.
What is a place where we can buy things?
A store.
Which place is very hot and has sand?
A desert.
What is a place where we can swim?
A pool or beach.
Which place is very high up and has clouds?
A mountain.
What is a place where we can learn new things?
A museum.
Which place is very big and has lots of buildings?
A city.
What is something we use to tell time?
A clock.
Which thing is very colorful and beautiful?
A rainbow.
What is something we use to listen to music?
Headphones.
Which thing is very soft and cuddly?
A teddy bear.
What is something we use to draw?
A crayon.
Which thing is very fast and can take us places?
A car.
What is something we use to stay warm?
A blanket.
Which thing is very loud and can scare us?
Thunder.
What is something we use to send messages?
A phone. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.